All right, we got some more CLW here with Kuru, which means go crazy. Thank you so much, Toshi99. This music video dropped July 15th, 2024. So almost exactly a year ago. Oh, 51 weeks ago. So thank you, Toshi99. Let's check it out. It's an interesting sound. It's a really interesting sound. Like the chord progressions and the melodies and just the harmonic texture, the way the lead vocal is interacting with the chord progressions, all of it feels so unique and different. Like, I can't think of anything that it actually sounds like because of the way it's composed. I don't know. Am I the only one getting that? I don't know. I don't know how else to describe it. Is that a key change? What? That was so short. But again, like, there must have been a decent amount of key changes just subtly in this song, because the chord progressions and the flow of it just felt so different. But very interesting, very captivating. CLW, another band that, you know, just over 3,000 subs. They've been on here for over 2 years, so be sure to go support them if you enjoyed that. And thank you again so much, Toshi99, for sharing this one with us.